have a very special announcement to make, and we hope you guys would support us and also participate, because this is going to be the first time nga we'll record a very special episode for all of us, for especially sa mga Chakadings.
We will be having a UCSP live! My God, mag-live ta with live audiences. Diba?
So, that's gonna be on November 15. That's confirmed date. As for the time, 2 or 3 mag-start ta. So, it's going to be
Kui Cafe. That's in Raintree Mall. So, that's again November 15 within 2 to 3 p.m.
At Kui.
At Kui Cafe. Okay? So, magkita-kita ta dito. So, nabigikuanan ka ng giluto ng mga segments. We still have the conversation, the questioning, but not the games, that is mga special guests. So
it's
this,
an interactive episode.
Yes, interactive episodes. And then maglingaw-lingaw ta dito at Kui Cafe on November 15, 2025.
Yeah, so I hope nga mga Chakadings, ha? Okay.
And then ato nang i-post atong social media page.
Yeah, we'll be posting some official announcement pretty soon after this episode. After nyo makita ni. So, we will also post like how to register or kanang unsa inyong mga pangbuhaton para, maka-appeal and maka-participate.
Yes, correct. Excited na excited sa pressure. So, ayaw may pakaawawi mga Chakadings. Tunga in town mo kung namo sa Cebu City. Oh my God, thank you so much. And then kanang makita-kita ta November 15 at Kui Cafe.
We have special guests.
Yeah, we have special guests. Secret lang sa.
Special performances.
Yeah, and then we have prizes as well. So, ona siya. So, thank you so much, Thank you so much, Cafe Hayati, for accommodating us. And then Black Frame Studio as well in Crayon Labs.
Yes, thank you so much. And once again, this is Lyle.
And this is Shane, and you're listening to UCSP. Unsi Cheka sa Parlor Season 3.